few years back, we released the RD NATO series. It was originally built on an SLR 106 that featured our tunable gas block, which allowed for us to tune and suppress the gun. Rifle Dynamics has recently come across a small run of new Virgin 5.56 parts kits, which allows us to build the gun from the ground up and give us leeway to incorporate some of the new design features, such as our Picatinny rear trunnion. Through a partnership with SLR Rifle Works, we were able to design our own M-LOK handguard. We maximized the number of M-LOK slots by removing the front QD and remove the handguard retainer altogether. This allows us to get a better hand position on the rifle and eliminate that painful burn point from the handguard retainer sling loop. The RD NATO features our combo tunable gas block. It allows us to fine-tune to different loads and suppressor types. This makes the RD NATO one of the nicest and flattest shooting 5.56 AKs, period. We make sure that our system runs with the most popular AK mags in the country, including Bulgarian Circle 10 5.56 and Polish Radom pattern magazines. We've also been testing some other options to include followers that work with AK-74 pattern magazines. One of the greatest benefits to a gun like the RD NATO is ammo selection. You can run everything from steel practice rounds, M855, defensive loads, and even frangible ammo, making this one of the most versatile small calibers for the AK system. Rifle Dynamics NATO.